Hey guys, it's Nikki and
Serafina
and
Ruby.
And today we're going to be making glitter slime.
Halloween glitter slime.
Yum. Wait, why did I say yum? I mean, whatever.
So I got this for my birthday,
Which is on Monday.
and so we're gonna make it. So let's just do this.
Okay.
It's clear glue.
You don't have a stir stick.
Go get one.
Oh.
It's clear glue with glitter, a bunch of glitter in it.
Does a pencil work?
Yeah.
Are we using all of it?
It's so pretty.
We're gonna use all of it?
No.
We don't want to waste the beautiful.
It's so pretty and so shimmery.
Not too much. There. Yeah.
Gotta
It is
stir
super
it
thick.
until it's completely.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
it
right.
like activated right there.
Whoa.
This is why I got it for her because it's super thick, and we wanted to see how thick it is, and that's just the glue and water.
Yeah. And it's like
Yeah, mix
activated.
it
Look.
evenly
Look
if
at
you're
this.
gonna do it.
I'm gonna add a little.
It's slightly activated, just a tad bit. Okay. And you have to mix water and the water and the glue evenly,
Yeah.
so that it's the same and you can't see any more water floating around in your bowl.
Okay,
So
this is super weird. Look at this.
It looks
Like
like
It looks
it's
super
slightly
thick, but then you
activated.
pull it up and it's like bleh.
Yeah.
Well, can we add the foaming or the soap now?
So we're using this soap, and it basically just makes it really soft. Look, it just goes. And
Hopefully it doesn't make it bubbly.
at first it will be a little bubbly, but it will go out.
It looks super thick.
Oh, it smells delicious.
Can I smell?
Wait, let's add our activator.
It smells like
You
a
start with a
s'more.
little squirt. There we go. See, it activates so quickly.
That's really fast.
That was a tiny, tiny squirt, and it's already
I know.
coming together. Now you add some, Karen. I mean, Serafina. There we go.
That's amazing.
See, look at that. It's already coming together, and that's only 2 squirts.
It doesn't
See?
look super glittery on there, but it really is super glittery.
Yeah. Add some more activator. Let's get this out of there. Go put it in the bathroom again. See, look at this. It's
It's activating. More.
see, look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No, it's not ready to go into it. I was like, it's ready to go in with your hands. No. So just get
It's ready.
Gotta mix it fast
See,
so
look.
it gets whipped. You know what I'm saying? Whip it.
Okay. I'm going to take it off the spoon and go in with my hands. Add more activator. More. There. And our activator's still warm because we literally just made it.
Yeah, just a second ago.
Ooh, this is sticky.
It's sticky, but
Oh, that's
Activator. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. There.
Yeah, it's really sticky. If you can't tell.
I'm going in with both hands, so hold the container. See, this is what I normally do. I just
It's bubbly because of the soap.
I like it.
Got
It's
lighter
gorgeous.
orange.
well, probably, it's not probably because of the soap. Probably because of the activator.
It's
Put it
pretty
in.
though.
More. There. So,
It looks really bright orange on the
we'll
camera.
be back once we're done
It's
next.
fine.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, so we have our slime.
It's not very sticky. There's a big chunk on your hand.
Oh,
It was making me.
it's pretty stretchy. It's really little. It's really pretty. So, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below and comment down below. Weirder family if you subscribe. And please do that because we have 40 subscribers, but none of them have done it. We really want you guys to do it. So please, 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 please.
She'll give you a
comment.
shout out if you do it down below.
Yeah, if you do it down below, I'll give you a shout out in my next video.
Yeah.
So I'll see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.